English speaking and listening practice, lesson number 10 by Ifactner. They are dancing on the deck of the ship. They are dancing on the deck of the ship. They are dancing on the deck of the ship. The doctor declared him dead. The doctor declared him dead. The doctor declared him dead. He declined my offer. He declined my offer. He declined my offer. My bank balance is decreasing. The water level is decreasing in the dam. My bank balance is decreasing. The water level is decreasing in the dam. My bank balance is decreasing. The water level is decreasing in the dam. The swimming pool is very deep. The swimming pool is very deep. The swimming pool is very deep. He is deeply in love with her. He is deeply in love with her. He is deeply in love with her. Deer is a beautiful animal. Deer is a beautiful animal. Deer is a beautiful animal. We will defeat them next time. We will defeat them next time. We'll defeat them next time. They defended well. They defended well. They defended well. We found the defendant not guilty. We found the defendant not guilty. We found the defendant not guilty. Their defense is strong. Their defense is strong. Their defense is strong. He is in a defensive position. He is in a defensive position. He is in a defensive position. What's the total deficit? What is the total deficit? What's the total deficit? Define water. Define water. Define water. I'm definitely going there. I am definitely going there. I'm definitely going there. What is the definition of grammar? What is the definition of grammar? What's the definition of grammar? It's 43 degrees outside. It is 43 degrees outside. It's 43 degrees outside. You are delaying us. You are delaying us. You are delaying us. They will deliver the post tomorrow. They will deliver the post tomorrow. They will deliver the post tomorrow. The delivery van is here. The delivery van is here. The delivery van is here. There is a gap between supply and demand. What are your demands? There is a gap between supply and demand. What are your demands? There is a gap between supply and demand. What are your demands? Democracy is the best form of government. Democracy is the best form of government. Democracy is the best form of government. He is a Democrat. He is a Democrat. He is a Democrat. We live in a democratic country. We live in a democratic country. We live in a democratic country. I'll demonstrate it. I will demonstrate it. I'll demonstrate it. I'll demonstrate it in my demonstration. I will demonstrate it in my demonstration. I will demonstrate it in my demonstration. Nobody can deny it. Nobody can deny it. Nobody can deny it. I work in a marketing department. I work in a marketing department. I work in a marketing department. The baby depends on his parents. The baby depends on his parents. The baby depends upon his parents. He is dependent on his parents. He is dependent on his parents. He is dependent on his parents. I may go there depending upon the situation. I may go there depending upon the situation. I may go there depending upon the situation. This photograph depicts the real situation. This photograph depicts the real situation. This photograph depicts the real situation. I'm in depression. This road goes in depression from here. I'm in depression. This road goes in depression from here. What's the depth of this lake? What's the depth of this lake? What's the depth of this lake? He is a deputy director. He is a deputy director. He is a deputy director. From the evidence, we can derive that Earth is round. From the evidence, we can derive that the Earth is round. From the evidence, we can derive that Earth is round. Describe it in detail. Describe it in detail. Describe it in detail. Did you read the description of this medicine? Did you read the description of this medicine? Did you read the description of this medicine? Sahara Desert is in Dubai. Sahara Desert is in Dubai. Sahara Desert is in Dubai. He doesn't deserve this job. He doesn't deserve this job. He doesn't deserve this job. I'll design a beautiful website. I will design a beautiful website. I'll design a beautiful website. He is a famous fashion designer. He is a famous fashion designer. He is a famous fashion designer. I have a desire to meet her. I have a desire to meet her. I have a desire to meet her. I work on my desk. I work on my desk. I work on my desk. He is desperate to find a job. He is desperate. He is desperate to find a job. He is desperate. He is desperate to find a job. He is desperate. I'll help him despite the fact that I dislike him. I will help him despite the fact that I dislike him. I'll help him despite the fact that I dislike him. They will destroy the whole city. They will destroy the whole city. They will destroy the whole city. The city is ruined after the destruction. The city is ruined after the destruction. The city is ruined after the destruction. I'll give you details tomorrow. I will give you details tomorrow. I will give you details tomorrow. He detailed us about his plans. He detailed us about his plans. He detailed us about his plans. They couldn't detect the cancer. They could not detect the cancer. They couldn't detect the cancer. Let's determine what do we need to do. Let's determine what do we need to do. Let's determine what do we need to do. They are developing a new city. They are developing a new city. They are developing a new city. I am developing a new course. I am developing a new course. I am developing a new course. What are the development charges? What are the development charges? What are the development charges? Mobile phone is a good device. Mobile phone is a good device. Mobile phone is a good device. He devoted all his time to learn to speak English. He devoted all his time to learn to speak English. He devoted all his time to learn to speak English. Let's dialogue about it. Let's dialogue about it. Let's dialogue about it. This plant will die soon. This plant will die soon. This plant will die soon. What's your diet? What is your diet? What's your diet? I differ from you on this topic. I differ from you on this topic. I differ from you on this topic. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between them? What's the difference between them? Their taste is different. Their taste is different. Their taste is different. I can do it differently. I can do it differently. I can do it differently. It's a difficult question. It is a difficult question. It's a difficult question. I am facing a difficulty in reaching him. I am facing a difficulty in reaching him. I am facing a difficulty in reaching him. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. We are living in a digital world. I like your digital watch. We are living in a digital world. I like your digital watch. We are living in a digital world. I like your digital watch. What are the dimensions of this room? What are the dimensions of this room? What are the dimensions of this room? We eat in the dining room. We eat in the dining room. We eat in the dining room. Let's go out for dinner. Let's go out for dinner. Let's go out for dinner. I will go to the UK on a direct flight. I will go to the UK on a direct flight. I will go to the UK on direct flight. I am going to ask him for directions. I am going to ask him for directions. I am going to ask him for directions. Let's go directly to the manager. Let's go directly to the manager. Let's go directly to the manager. Who is your favorite film director? I am a director of an IT firm. Who is your favorite film director? I am a director of an IT firm. Who is your favorite film director? I am a director of an IT firm. Don't play in the dirt. Don't play in the dirt. Don't play in the dirt. Why have you come here in dirty clothes? Why have you come here in dirty clothes? Why have you come here in dirty clothes? He can't walk because of a disability. He cannot walk because of a disability. He can't walk because of a disability. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. I disagree with you. He disappeared without a trace. He disappeared without a trace. He disappeared without a trace. You saved us from a big disaster. You saved us from a big disaster. You saved us from a big disaster. This boy needs to be disciplined. This boy needs to be disciplined. This boy needs to be disciplined. I can discourse about computers. I can discourse about computers. I can discourse about computers. Columbus discovered America. Columbus discovered America. Columbus discovered America. What's the biggest discovery of the 21st century? What is the biggest discovery of 21st century? What's the biggest discovery of 21st century? I am against any kind of discrimination. I am against any kind of discrimination. I am against any kind of discrimination. We will discuss about it in the morning. We will discuss about it in the morning. We will discuss about it in the morning. The discussion between the political rivals is hot. The discussion between the political rivals is hot. The discussion between the political rivals is hot. The dog died of an unknown disease. The dog died of an unknown disease. The dog died of an unknown disease. Clean your dish. Who is going to wash the dishes? Clean your dish. Who is going to wash the dishes? Clean your dish. Who is going to wash the dishes? The judge dismissed the case. The judge dismissed the case. The judge dismissed the case. Who is responsible for this disorder? Who is responsible for this disorder? Who is responsible for this disorder? Put this TV on display. Put this TV on display. Put this TV on display. Let's end this dispute. Let's end this dispute. Let's end this dispute. What's the total distance from here to Europe? What is the total distance from here to Europe? What's the total distance from here to Europe? He likes to go to distant places. He likes to go to distant places. He likes to go to distant places. What are the distinct properties of this liquid? What are the distinct properties of this liquid? What are the distinct properties of this liquid? He passed the exams with distinction. He passed the exams with distinction. He passed the exam with distinctions. What are the distinguishing properties of this liquid? What are the distinguishing properties of this liquid? What are the distinguishing properties of this liquid? Who is going to distribute the money among the poor? Who is going to distribute the money among the poor people? Who is going to distribute the money among poor people? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me.
Like, share, subscribe. Ifactner.